Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of #IRL, where we bring PicsArt to real life.
Hi! Hey, I'm KL. I'm the Senior Manager of Community here at PicsArt.
And in today's episode, we're going to show you how to create a graphic t-shirt using PicsArt. Okay guys, so we decided to be environmentally friendly, so we went thrift shopping and got a white t-shirt from there to design our graphic tees on it.
Ooh, this is cute! We got the t-shirt!
Okay guys, so we're back from the thrift store and it's time to do our thrift flip, but first we're gonna go and do the design for the graphic t-shirt. So what would you like it to be?
I want something kind of grungy with black and pink elements in it, so let's see what we make up.
Okay, I think I have an idea, so let's go do that. Alright guys, it's time to do the design. So I'm starting off with a plain black background. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go to crop and then crop it to a 3:2 size and then apply that. And then I'm gonna go to my stickers and choose a really cool vapor wave sticker. So I have one saved right here. And then all I'm gonna do is rotate it and then make it a bit bigger. And then just adjust it to my size. Bomb. And then I'm gonna go to my stickers again and choose this like Greek goddess, a Medusa thing, and because she looks dope. So just make that a little bit bigger in the center right there. Perf. And then I'm gonna go to stickers again, and I have this really cool like board sign, which I'm gonna make a bit bigger and then add it to my photo. And then apply. So I feel like this needs like a vintagey cool Polaroid effect. So I'm gonna go to my effects and go to filters and choose Polaroid 2. It's gonna give it like more of a pinkish like Polaroid vibe, which I love. So just put the noise up a little bit, fade it down, and put the blur down. Oh yeah, this looks bomb. And apply. And that's it. Your design is complete, and all we have to do right now is we have to flip it around. Just because when you print it on a t-shirt, it has to be on the other side so it comes out the right way. So I'm just gonna go there and rotate it to the other side and apply it this way and save it, and now it's time to print.
So after you make your design, all you'll need to do is print out your graphic, but be sure to use iron-on paper. So right now, we're gonna iron on our own design.
I hate ironing in real life. I think it's better to do more.
Yeah.
And like edges and corners.
Oh, it's hot.
Hey Medusa! Yes! Oh my god, it looks so good!
It
Look
turned
at
out really
that,
well.
right?
Yeah, I'm excited to wear it.
Alright, so Kay is going to style this right now into a day look and a night look. So, keep on watching. That's it for today's episode, you guys.
We'd love to see all of the awesome creations our community has made, so be sure to post to Instagram with the hashtag PicsArtIRL.
And yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in into next episode. So, that's it. Bye guys.
Bye.
Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And have you seen our first IRL? Make sure to check that out and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.